Bondo, you finish work.
Thank you, sir.
You finish work. See, when we see good video, good song.
Thank you, sir.
We just, you know, say you are just satisfied with this guy because the song makes sense.
Thank you, sir.
The video can't complete everything.
Synchronize.
The icing on the cake.
Thank you, sir.
Too much. Maybe, freestyle that thing. Yeah.
You been say you love me, mommy.
Hey.
Say, yeah. You been say you no go leave me, yeah.
Hey, easy day.
Janos, Inkaria inkemiki na temiki hinos, abunda inkemiki bachagani, sekije kina kiwen suna nawe. Young galaji ya do reina, not to appear. You will say you love me, mommy. You will say you no go leave me. You
don't do. Before you keep person. Hey, easy bit. After this show, better call her. You know, say you love me. Say you love me. You know, you say we will. Okay. Say you love me. All right, so say you love me. That girl for that video, man, beautiful. You be the give me one.
They're like two girls in the video.
Now one we see.
Now one you see. Now one you see.
Now one me I see.
Which one you see?
The one we stand for him back.
Yes, she's pretty.
For front. Yes, she's pretty. Then finish. Bondo tell me say nothing.
As in, how do you mean nothing?
Say, not they code anything for me.
No,
say,
that question I asked
you,
how
have to
you
be
mean
following
nothing?
up on the ministry or from
on
there,
Twitter or Instagram. You say follow.
Or Twitter. Following up on Twitter and on the one-on-one ministry.
No,
but that girl fine finish.
Now my friend, though.
Now your friend.
Good friend.
Okay.
That's my friend.
Okay. After the whole show, I want to be friends with her too.
I'll make you come.
No problem.
I'll hook you up. I got you.
No problem. Now, I say you love. Better say you love me. Now, what do you expect to hear from Bondo?
Well, okay. I did a song with Orezi. I shot the video already. I don't already shoot the video, everything. But you get one song where I do with Timaya again.
Yes.
Then like last week, I did 2 songs with Flip Ties. So the problem with the on ground and my management, they confused which song won't drop.
That's all the song too pure.
God. I don't want to take glory for anything. I return the glory back to God. As they take come, me I don't understand. I don't even understand.
Sometimes you go play your own trumpet too. If the song sweet, you go say, my song sweet.
It makes sense. It makes sense. Because even the one with Timaya, when I reach in place, the era, normally all artists go do 12, 14. He did 27 bars on the song.
27 bars.
I had to I need to delete some of my verse to leave.
Some of your own there, at least making.
I did tell you because I sang the chorus, the hook, and everything. The song. So hopefully that's the next video I might be dropping. Not sure.
With Timaya though.
With Timaya though.
Well, correct. That means you dey work now. You dey work. I like the fact say things done, but you can't even confuse one to choose. You understand? Very making sense, P. Now, get one of your picture what I see for your Instagram page. That one, you know, wear shirt for that video. They go put on for screen now. You know, wear shirt for that. This lately, I don't try work on myself. I they ask this one. And you know,
who they ask?
This one.
Okay.
No, himself try.
Of course, I
see. Now my guy now, they see hand that big.
Everything there.
Because me, I don't know. They try to do this. That's on my back. The thing they go show. So you know they work for this side. You get me now. So when I put the picture up, okay. Now to get the kind body we man supposed get, because to me that's what every man supposed be. Sorry to Ani Baba, our director for back. Our director get big pot belly. You know, amusement park.
Those are men.
No, those are not men. You understand, men. We all stay, just they rub the thing. You know, those are men. So for the younger side, us, where we was us for the where they want. Waiting be the last time you get one guy asked last week. Say waiting be the waiting go. So waiting your advice for me go be.
Well, in everything you want to do, you have to be determined and focused.
You go like advising.
Just change the mood.
Just change the mood.
Yeah. You need to be very determined and focused. You understand? Then no late night food. I eat fruit a lot and water. Then I work out like a beast. I like
working out because I do fruit too. I drink water plenty.
It's good.
Those two I do one. Now the last one now.
I
go dey push iron, abi?
I dey push. I do sit up. I do my bench press. Do treadmill. I'm always in the gym. I spend 2 hours every day in the gym. That's what I do.
2 hours?
I've not been working out. I never work out now. You don't reach like 6 months because I had like this injury on my wrist. But
based
right
on
now,
the thing where you carry.
yeah, but right now I'm back to the gym. I'm working out. So
okay, that means all of us now we're back in the gym.
No time.
All of us are back. Me self, I don't
summer is coming, so your body has to look right for summer.
Yes.
Don't sleep on it.
Very soon. No worry. For this show, when I'll come out with 6-pack, with W for chest, I'm not gonna wear shirt present this show. I just spread, I just did, YW, body go be like this. You get W for there, get 6-pack. We go your curve where. You understand? Everything don't make sense. I just without shirt too. My only fear be say people wife when they watch. If they go, they look their husbands. See you. Look.
You never even work out. You know they talk about people who they.
They see the future.
I see the future now.
You
They
the future before you start. Yes,
your waist is
Tommy, every
to
man
motivate
suppose,
yourself. Yes, now.
You never even work out. You know they count people who they admire.
No time. If you think about people who admire you, go motivate you to work.
Yeah, exactly.
Well,
I like the way they think.
You
don't be this guy. You don't get level.
I deal with you.
You don't talk about it. Nothing.
I deal with you, my guy. I deal with you.
Buy this one. Yeah, do anyhow for you. So Bondo, how they also reach you on social media?
Okay, on Instagram is @BondoCrazy, BondoKrazy. On Twitter is the same thing. On Instagram is the same thing @BondoCrazy, BondoKrazy. Then on Facebook is my real name, Nathan Bondo. That's my name on Facebook.
Wait, I never even asked because people they will not know which side of the country you come from.
I'm from Kaduna State, but I'm brought up in Kano.
Where?
Kano.
Kaduna. Of recent, I don't meet people from this side of the Kaduna, north side for a while now.
Yes,
maybe God they lead me to that
revealing
side.
something to
yes,
you know.
I they hear something from that side.
You want to be that side.
Like say, now I never to meet the female side.
Me and you they go together.
We'll go together.
You never to meet the female side. She be DJ not come the other day.
Not true, Dija. But when you say Dija, she cut across for the country and she outside country and Nigeria. So not be full breed.
Na ECOWAS.
Let me say na pep.
Na mix.
Na mixed breed. Na mixed breed. But any which way, you get some pictures then why I want me to first just gist about.
Okay.
For some kind pictures away during the Easter period. We see some kind things then for different pictures of Jesus Christ. Or people that we act like Jesus Christ. Now, this one now, Oyibo Ono. You see as Oyibo Ono makes sense.
Very detailed and
see as Oyibo Ono. Even you said, if now you act this role as Jesus Christ for their Easter,
you're proud.
You go there proud of yourself. You go won't even die again. You understand? Nigeria own now. We just turn on to another thing. Make we see the Nigeria pictures own. Can you imagine?
Who be this?
See this guy now for it. What this one of my Jesus?
No.
For what?
They are Jesus. No be
Na
my
plan
Jesus.
carry, not be even cross.
The guy carry plant, they rub our for body. He even rub lipstick.
Pink lips.
Pink lips.
Come well with one for
Come put with one for head. If this guy die for me, not die for me, I beg. Come on, just die for yourself. Just die for yourself.
Look in face, if face even tell you say they are father, she be na me
See,
abi.
this one now they say if you say Jesus na Nigerian.
Now selfie go to take for cross.
Cross. To remind you, say, come, look, let me tell you something. I was here.
And I died for you.
And
guys.
I died for you.
For those that don't believe,
just
on Instagram.
Exactly. Instagram says, just update in DP. See me die for the one things. Cavalry things. We still get one more, Abi. If I say one other picture did like this, way ahead. This one even try small. Small, at least get packs.
Bad Jesus. This is scary. They walk out.
This one, Nigeria do this one.
Nigeria.
The thing not too bad though.
Yeah, no, it's not too bad. Only say they can't put the cross for wall.
Then they can't use.
Just tired. They all put that
use
for wall.
Ugu leaf tie for your head. Now Ugu be that
exactly. Now. So they not even put on chuku for your head. They just carry Ugu.
You can show this Jesus now model.
No, now model.
The way you stay there.
And you don't know that just like
he get swag.
That's swag. You just swag. Just say, from here now. They say, yo, Mary Magdalene, baby. Get me a glass of wine.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Bondo, all right, for you, I'll just free you.
Yes,
you know, and but before I free you, we'll go do one small game. after we come back from this quick musical break, we'll do just now. Not be game, Sha. Now just question and answer things, just to take note, to catch you for some kind angle, like that. All right?
For lungu, you don't catch me for lungu.
For Koro. So when they come back, when I never come out go anywhere, we is coming back. Easy, yo.
Why is this guy always slapping his wife? Why now?
See lighting.
But this guy light.
See lighting. They slap you that can slap. Your spirit will jump in your body. Say yeah.
See slap. April Fool.
April Fool. April Fool.
That guy don't chop like for this life.
This particular guy is Chris Clown. That particular guy when they slap. That guy don't chop slap.
On default.
Oh, aye, as he don't chop slap.
They say don't miss it one because they say, call your sister say, I used to the virgin, I used to naim before the girl got there and say, yes, Papa. He can't call the boy. He won't slap the girl. As won't slap the girl, he can't hold the hand. He can't call the boy. As the boy just come.
Don't land on.
Make it not be say slap the girl. You can go hold her for the boy.
Yo, just call the boy, just call. Oh, no, that boy.
Okay. All right, so Bondo, before you come up for here now, you go hold these two pieces. Yes or a no. All right. So easy beat. Now they take the door. We'll put some things on the background just for everybody. For those of now they watch for screen, make sure say you follow us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach for there, give us your comments onto every. The stories that have been dropped earlier or anything at all. Even if you want to give me tips on working out, to go work out to make myself a better somebody looking for all of you for inside the house. When I just go there, just drop your comments and then we can know everything. Now, Bondo, you done ready? Okay, so I just ask you on some questions there. Right. You know, any of the questions we concern yes or a no, you could just flash them for the camera to see.
Right.
All right. So, you don't ever cheat on any girlfriend where you don't date before. Think. Hey, Bondo.
I'm keeping it real. I don't want lie. I want to keep out straight up.
All liars will go to air.
Straight up, no time.
So your last chick you cheat on that one. Still based on this.
Make us still hold on.
No, still based on that answer where you give.
No be the last one, but one of my girlfriends.
One of. No, okay, so you don't go get that trouble. Yeah. One of the ones in the before.
I don't get girlfriend now, so one of the before.
For those of ladies waiting for house, Bondo, you don't get any girlfriend for now, so he's very, very single.
Guy, yes.
All right. So question 2. You don't ever involve for threesome before? Threesome, say aside from only you and the baby one titi, you can add one person join. Either maybe one other guy or you add one other girl join the whole thing to just make her overexcited. So you don't ever involve for threesome before? This is what they think. I mean, our first song I go talk. Any song where plenty pass 2, sha. You don't ever involve before? Yes or no? Take where? Yes. Hey! Bondo! Bondo crazy.
My guy.
I know where that crazy come from. Bondo crazy.
Make I hide my face. Make I use that.
Okay, wait first. Say the person will come. Say now man have been a woman. Make we know.
Now only one question you ask. You ask me. Am I yes or no?
Some question when they ask for exam. They will get one A, yes. B, C. So this one might be the A for the question where I ask you so. Say now man you. Say now you and the babe. Woman. Yeah, okay. Bondo crazy. Bad guy.
Make us serious.
Okay. You don't ever drink to the point where you can't misbehave before.
Yeah, everyone has done that.
No, me I never drink to the misbehavior before. Where you can't vomit anyhow, they hold you.
They happened only once in my life, once.
Only once?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Once.
Well, I like say they keep on real, though.
Yeah.
I like say they keep on real. You don't ever wish say you be another Nigerian artist before. Think calm. No. So for your mind since you have always loved the fact that you are Bondo. You never jealous anybody before.
I don't jealous anybody. I appreciate and how I want to put them. I appreciate success. You know when you envy person, nobody say you jealous. It's allowed, do you understand?
Yes.
But not saying I am me. I'm unique in my own way.
Cool.
Do you understand? When God won't bless me,
yes.
only God knows whether waiting this person don't also for years.
Yes.
My own will come under a year or less than. Do you understand? So I'm happy with the person I am and the artist I am.
Bondo love himself finish, no wish to be any other person.
Yes.
Final question. For 20 million, you go drop music?
For 20 million?
For 20 million, you go drop music?
No.
Bam. So that means for you now music and you die there.
Yes.
All right. Applause for Bondo. You don't keep on real. Final gist to every young person waiting for outside there. You know, now we don't go through our political this thing. Very soon now we'll soon do the voting things until gubernatorial election and every. What will be your advice for all the Nigerian youths when they watch us like this?
Okay.
Advice. Because I don't know, even sometimes my manager they talk say you go they talk like politician or you they talk like old man. No be so. I just believe now so you don't do work for me.
Okay.
You know, it's been I don't do this industry for quite like for a minute. You get so focus, consistency, God come first, every other thing like I will always say. Follow, do you understand? Then love what you're doing.
Yeah.
Surely someday, one day, that thing will love you back. As long as you love it from your heart, it's gonna love you back. Then believe in yourself. People will say whatever they feel like. It's just an opinion. But deep inside, believe in yourself that whatever you want to do, that thing, I must go get them and you will get it right.
Amen. Bondo.
Yes,
thank you very much, my man. Thank you very, very much, my man. Correct. All right, so, ladies and gentlemen, I don't hear all the advice. I don't hear everything we Bondo even drop just now. I believe say they work for him so far. All right, stay true to yourself. Don't try to be like another person because now you be the original of your own self. Yes. Any other thing where you try to do now photocopy of yourself. Stay true to yourself and always remember one thing. Like me, I carry for mind before now, and they don't they work for me so far. Recognize one thing. Say if you know the function, if you know they do waiting God doesn't make you can do for this earth. You get waiting this world they miss. Now I mean say you did very, very important like this. So. All right, so for here, ladies and gentlemen, we hope that don't catch fun on top of the show this night, on top of the late night show. I beg, don't forget to join us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. At W Late Night Show, reach there, give us your comments, follow us for there, and then we'll go follow you back at the same time. If you follow me on top Twitter at Funny Ogbolo or DJ Easy Beats at DJ Easy Beats, reach there, follow us, just okay. So for myself, DJ Easy Beats, and of course Bondo, we say good night to all of you now. We go see you now. God bless you now. Tomorrow things.